you gotta get out here.
All right.
This is Melissa. And Melissa told me to come outside because she had further things she wanted to discuss with me about her car. So, Melissa, what happened?
I accidentally hit a speed, I don't know what you call that.
A sign or?
Well, one of those like narrowing lanes so that you slow down.
Like a boulder.
Oh yeah, the little.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh.
With the rearview mirror.
With the mirror. So that's fun.
Oh.
So it looks like it'll just clip back up. That's the good news. By the way, guys, base Camry in 2009 comes with heated mirrors. Didn't know. So we know now.
Did something happen to the outside of the mirror?
No. So basically what happened is it unclipped.
Popped, yeah.
So I popped it back in. And that's it. It's a Toyota, guys. It'll take a licking and keep on ticking. Proof.
Latina.
Latina's driving one. There we go.